Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up or log in into your Lalamove app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your Lalamove app, and once you tap it open, all you need to do is simply select your city. So once you select your city, you need to tap on get started. So after doing this, now all you need to do is simply tap on get started or already have an account. So if you are going to log in into your account, then simply tap on already have an account. Or if you are going to start an account or sign up into your account, then simply tap on get started. So once you choose any of the option, you can simply type in your email address or phone number and your password of your account if you have your account already created. Or to log in into your account, you can also use your Facebook or Google method. However, if you forgot your password, then simply tap on forgot password and type in your phone number to reset your password in simple manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.